Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to grow avocado plant from seed. But first of all, subscribe my channel for the latest updates. We need fully ripe avocado as you shown in the video. And this is the seed of avocado. And we need 3 to 4 toothpicks. And a glass of water. So let's start. So this is the upper part of the avocado from where it sprouts, and this is the bottom part. Now we need to use toothpick as I am using, and then put this same do like this as you seen in the video. Now put this in water by keeping bottom part down in the water from where roots will come out. You should keep in mind to place avocado seed always half immersed in water. So this is the bottom part of the avocado which was immersed in water. As you see, this is the bottom part of avocado. Now place this glass in sunlight or any warm place. It usually takes 3 to 6 weeks to sprout. After 4 weeks, you can see that the avocado seed is cracked and the roots come out from the bottom part. As you seen in the video, so this is the roots of avocado seed. And keep in mind to change the water after every 2 weeks. One week later, the upper parts starts to sprout. As you seen in the video, the red color sprouts that lead to shoot system. After 6 to 7 weeks, the avocado seed starts growing and the roots are fully developed as you seen in the video. After 2 months, you can see that the leaves are formed. Avocado seedling grow best in bright and indirect sunlight and at temperature no lower than 60 °F. After 2.5 months, the avocado plant is fully developed and you can transplant it in your garden. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates. Thanks.